vocabulary time. This is probably your 8th time doing this assignment, so I'm not going to spend too long explaining it. It's the same as it has been. You will write the definition for these words, and then you will use them in your own sentence. Make sure it is an original sentence. You can, I guess, be inspired by the sentence from the story or from Google, but do not copy it exactly. And make sure you have capitalization, punctuation, the best sentence you can write. You can look up the words. You can use what you know. You can use context clues. Make sure it fits the context of the story. The reds are the must do. The yellows are the should do, but you don't have to do. Note with affairs, that is one that has multiple definitions, so you'll want to make sure to look at the story and see that it fits in the way the story uses it. So purchase, federal, consequence, picket, vigil, venture, affairs, and vital. I gave you the pages because sometimes I know out of 4 pages of story it can be hard to find them, so I went ahead and helped you out with that. Do make sure you go look at the sentence that it's in. Even if you just read the sentence, it'll help you get an idea of what the word means. The code word for today is the. Again, so exciting. The. But if we were missing those little words, sentences wouldn't make sense. So, the is the word. Make a note of it. Write it down so you can fill it in at the end of the week, which you are getting close to. You can do it. You got this. Let me know if you want help with any of the words. Good luck.